So here we stand in Laundry Central, and you'll notice, of course, the lights are not on. We just have whatever light from the windows coming in. But over here, over the telephone, we have one of these outdoor fluorescent fixtures. You actually can still find these. I had two of them. They were from our old apartment back in the day, so these things have got to be 15, 16, even 17 years old. The landlord wanted to replace them with those motion sensor lights, so I did that. And I've put this light here, and it's just perfect over the phone, but the problem is the bulb in it is dying. Check this out. Oh, really, really pink. I don't know if the camera makes that out. Really pink and terrible, and barely lit. Let me come over here and I'll shut this light. That should give you a much better idea of how little light this is actually putting out. But after it sits for a bit, it will start to work. And another interesting thing, if you'll notice, it's actually turning not as pink now, is the cover is not screwed all the way in. For whatever reason, if I screw the cover all the way in, the bulb stops working. So I just found that it worked there, and I left it. And once I left it, it was actually good. So I'll put this light back on. There we are. And I'll let that warm up for a bit, and I'll show you the end result. There we go, much better. It's only been about a minute or so. And it just recently started doing this pink business where it didn't want to start. I don't want to take the cover off for fear that it'll stop working again. This bulb has got to be pretty original. I've never replaced it. And I was not able to find a replacement bulb for any sort of reasonable price. I don't know if the camera makes it out. It looks like there's like 3 different bulbs in there. There's only one, and it's just a little U-shaped bulb. And that's it. It's not a preheat or anything cool. It just turns on immediately. But I was able to find, it also has a photo cell right up there, which I guess is yellowed over the years. But I found an entire fixture, including a bulb, for like the price of the bulb. So I just picked up 1 or 2 of those. So when this finally goes, I can just replace it with that. Anyway, just wanted to show you that interestingly failing fluorescent bulb. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.